Yeah, it's all the 10th anniversary.
That's what it says.
A quick stop in the Furnace Creek Visitor Center provided us with a map and a free postcard. The message was clear. Don't die in the park. It's a lot of paperwork.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I'm a sucker for signs like this.
Wonder why the
Play
artist trail.
stupid video tricks.
What do you mean?
Looking behind me?
What do you mean behind me? What's behind you? Besides very dirty.
Nothing.
Oh.
And in front of me.
Oh, never mind. That would be beautiful if it was clear.
Yeah, you can see the heat just shimmering off the...
Yeah, see that?
Yeah. Go ahead.
It's a real killer. Where are we?
I think I can just pull off the side of the road like that.
He's a ranger.
Well, he's the ranger. He can do anything he wants.
Now remember, it's at the speed limit 35 and you're doing
55.
55. And there is a ranger back there.
Well, he's back there.
Badwater Basin is probably the most famous spot in Death Valley at 282 feet below sea level. Yeah, well, well, you know. And here's the obligatory shot from Badwater. We walked about a half-mile into the basin, far enough to get the white salt all around us for panoramics like this.
Say hello. Wave. Do something.